Just like before any other workout, you'll want to warm up your facial muscles. For this purpose, move your lower jaw forward and backward and then side to side. All movements should be performed slowly and smoothly without sudden jerks. Repeat the exercise 8 to 10 times. When the scoop, open your mouth, and roll your bottom lip over your lower teeth. Imagine that you need to scoop water with your lower jaw. Move your head down in a scooping motion, and close your mouth while lifting your head. While performing this exercise, make sure that the corners of your lips are completely relaxed. Repeat 5 to 7 times. Touch your nose. A double chin is also associated with weakness of the hyoid muscles. That is why they also need to be strengthened. Stick out your tongue as far as possible, and try to reach your nose with the tip of your tongue. Keep your lips relaxed. Repeat 5 times. The perfect oval face. If you want to return the shape of your face to a younger look and pull your cheeks up, do the following exercise. Turn your head to the left, and pull your lower jaw forward, straining the muscles of your neck. You should feel the muscles on the left of your neck stretching. Then turn your head to the right and do the same movement. Repeat 5 times on each side. Kiss the giraffe. Imagine you need to kiss a giraffe, or someone who is very tall. Lift your face up, and look at the ceiling. Slightly bring your lower jaw forward, and pucker your lips as if you are going to kiss someone. If you are performing the exercise correctly, you should feel a strong tension in your neck. Hold the position for 5 to 8 seconds and release. Repeat 5 times. Resistance. For this exercise, you need to make 2 fists and place them directly under your chin. Then begin to move your lower jaw slightly down on your fists, and strain your muscles while overcoming the resistance. The pressing force should gradually increase. When you reach maximum resistance, hold for 3 seconds. Then relax, and repeat the exercise 5 to 7 times. Smile. Clench your teeth with your mouth closed, and try to stretch the corners of your lips as wide as possible. Now push your tongue against your hard palate, gradually increasing the pressing force. If you feel a strong tension in your chin muscles, then you have performed the exercise correctly. Hold this feeling of tension for 5 seconds, and then relax for 3 seconds. Repeat 5 to 8. Puffy cheeks. Inhale deeply with your mouth, and fill it with air. Close your mouth, and puff up your cheeks. Now press your palms on your cheeks so that you feel tension in your muscles. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then release the air and relax. Repeat the exercise 5 to 6 times.